Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to English Practice Beginners. This is where your real English journey begins. Not with pressure, not with fear, not with fast talking, but with calm confidence, simple sentences, and daily progress that truly changes your life. Now take a deep breath and relax your shoulders, because today is not about struggling with English. Today is about finally feeling comfortable with it. Imagine waking up tomorrow and speaking English without hesitation. Imagine walking into a shop, starting a conversation, answering naturally and feeling proud of yourself. Imagine no fear, no panic, no freezing mind. That version of you is not far away. That version of you is built slowly, calmly, one sentence at a time. And today, your transformation starts right here. Learning English is not about memorizing difficult grammar rules or forcing big vocabulary into your brain. Real fluency comes from daily speaking practice, real situations, and relaxed repetition. When you speak every day, even small sentences, your brain starts accepting English as a normal language, not a foreign one. Fear disappears when familiarity grows. Confidence builds when your mind stops resisting. And fluency arrives when English becomes part of your daily life. Now imagine your morning. You wake up slowly, you open your eyes and take a deep breath. You stretch your arms and sit on your bed. In your mind you say, "Today is a new day. I feel calm. I feel ready." You walk to the bathroom and say quietly, "I am brushing my teeth. I am washing my face. I feel fresh." You look in the mirror and smile. You say, "I am improving. I am learning. I am confident." You put on your clothes and think, "I am getting dressed. I am ready for the day." These small sentences may seem simple, but they train your brain to think in English naturally. Now you step outside, you feel the fresh air, you walk on the street and notice people around you. You say in your mind, "People are walking, cars are moving, the sky is bright." You pass someone and say, "Good morning." Maybe they reply, maybe they smile, maybe they continue walking. But inside you feel proud because you spoke. That is progress. You reach the bus stop. You wait calmly. You listen to people talking. You don't understand every word, but you understand the feeling. You stay relaxed. You get on the bus and say, "Hello." You tap your card and find a seat. You sit and look outside the window. You say, "The road is busy. The buildings are tall. The trees are green." Your mind is now swimming in English, and it feels normal. At work or college, you enter confidently. You greet people politely. You sit at your desk and open your bag. You say, "I am starting my work. I am checking my emails. I am writing a message." If someone talks to you, you listen carefully. If you don't understand, you calmly say, "Can you repeat that, please?" If you need help, you say, "Can you help me with this?" And when someone helps you, you say, "Thank you very much." These sentences build real communication. During your break, you walk to the cafeteria. You look at the menu and say, "I would like a sandwich, please." You take your food and say, "Thank you." You sit down and eat slowly. You think, "I am enjoying my lunch. I feel relaxed." If someone sits next to you, you say, "How is your day?" Maybe they answer fast. Maybe they answer slow. But you listen. You smile. You reply simply. You are now part of the English world. In the afternoon, you return to your work or class. You complete your tasks one by one. You say, "I am finishing this task. I am preparing the next one." You drink water and feel refreshed. You take a deep breath and stay focused. English is not stressing you anymore. It is flowing gently in your mind. In the evening, you walk home, you look at the sky and say, "The sky is orange. The sun is setting." You hear birds and say, "The birds are flying home." You walk past shops and say, "People are shopping. The streets are busy." You unlock your door and enter your home. You say, "I am home. I feel relaxed." You change into comfortable clothes. You go to the kitchen and say, "I am cooking dinner. I am cutting vegetables. I am boiling water." You smell the food and say, "It smells nice." You eat slowly and enjoy your meal. You think, "I had a good day. I practiced English." Later you sit on your bed and reflect. You say, "Today I spoke English. I greeted people, I ordered food, I asked questions, I listened carefully." You feel proud, you feel strong, you feel capable. This is how fluency is built, not in one day, not in 1 week, but in daily moments, in real life, in calm situations, in simple sentences. Some days will be easy, some days will be hard. Some days you will feel confident. Some days you will feel tired. But every day you speak, your brain becomes stronger. Your tongue becomes smoother. Your fear becomes smaller. When you make mistakes, remember this: mistakes are proof that you are learning. Children make thousands of mistakes before they speak fluently. You are no different. You are training your brain again. You are building a new language system. Be patient with yourself. Now imagine yourself 1 month from today. You walk into a shop and speak without fear. You answer phone calls with confidence. You talk to colleagues naturally. You understand more. You react faster. You smile when you speak English because it feels normal. Imagine yourself 6 months from today. You think in English. You dream in English. You joke in English. You live in English. That future is not a dream. It is a result of daily practice. English is not a subject. It is a skill. And skills grow with repetition. So speak every day. Think in English. Describe your world. Narrate your life. Talk to yourself. Talk to others. Listen without panic. Respond without fear. Your voice matters. Your progress matters. Your journey matters. And every time you press play on this video, you are investing in your future. Stay consistent. Stay calm. Stay confident. English fluency is becoming part of your life, 1 sentence at a time. And now, as the days pass, something beautiful starts happening inside your mind. English no longer feels like a burden. It starts feeling like a companion. Your brain slowly stops translating from your mother tongue and begins responding directly in English. You notice that your thoughts become clearer, your reactions become faster, your confidence becomes visible in your body language, in your walk, in your voice. You wake up one morning and realize something has changed. When your alarm rings, your first thought is not in your native language anymore. You think, "I need to wake up." You stretch and say, "It is time to start my day." You go to the bathroom and look at yourself in the mirror. You smile and say, "I am getting better every day." This small moment becomes powerful because it shows that English is now living inside your daily routine. You step outside again. The air feels fresh. The road feels familiar. You walk with confidence. Your shoulders are relaxed. Your head is high. You greet people naturally. You no longer hesitate. Your tongue moves smoothly. Your words come out clearly. You are no longer afraid of being judged because you understand one truth now. Everyone starts somewhere. You go to a shop and ask, "Excuse me, do you have bread?" The shopkeeper replies quickly. Earlier you would panic. Now you stay calm. You listen for keywords. You understand the meaning. You reply confidently, "Yes, please." You pay and say, "Thank you, have a nice day." You walk out with a smile. That smile is not for the shopkeeper. That smile is for yourself. You sit on a bench outside. You watch people passing by. You observe their faces, their expressions, their energy. You think, people are busy, people are living their lives. You feel connected to the world. English is no longer separating you from people. It is connecting you to them. Later, you meet a friend. You greet them in English. You talk about your day. You say, "I went to work, I finished my tasks. I had a good lunch." You laugh. You feel relaxed. You feel free. You are not stuck in your head anymore. You are present in the moment. You realize something important. English is not about sounding perfect. It is about being understood. It is about expressing yourself. It is about sharing your thoughts, your ideas, your emotions. In the evening, you walk through a park. Children are playing, couples are walking, old people are sitting quietly. You say, "Life is beautiful." You feel grateful. You feel proud. You feel strong. You remember how scared you were when you started. You remember the hesitation. You remember the fear. And now you see how far you have come. This journey has changed you. At home, you cook dinner again. But now your narration is smoother. I am heating the pan. I am adding oil. I am cooking rice. Your brain follows your words effortlessly. Your mind feels calm. Your heart feels peaceful. After dinner, you sit by the window. You look at the night sky. You see the moon. You see the stars. You say, "The night is quiet. The sky is clear." You feel a deep sense of satisfaction. You take out your diary. You write about your day. You write, "Today I spoke English confidently. I talked to people. I felt proud of myself." Writing strengthens your memory. Speaking strengthens your confidence. Together they build fluency. Before sleeping, you lie on your bed and close your eyes. You replay your day in your mind. You hear your own English voice. You feel relaxed. You feel successful. You whisper, "I am improving, I am learning, I am becoming fluent." Your brain listens. Your subconscious listens. Your future listens. Day after day, your English grows stronger. Your mind becomes sharper. Your fear disappears. Your confidence shines. Soon you start thinking faster. You respond naturally. You understand jokes. You join conversations. You express opinions. You feel included. You become the person you once dreamed of becoming. A person who speaks English without fear. A person who communicates with confidence. A person who believes in themselves. This is not magic. This is practice. This is discipline. This is consistency. This is your new identity. English is now your skill. English is now your strength. English is now your voice. And every single day you are getting better. So keep speaking, keep listening, keep repeating, keep believing. Your journey has just begun, and the best version of you is already on the way.